Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Alight Motion on your PC. So let us jump straight in. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is dial in www.alightmotionpc.com. We are going to now jump into this website. On this homepage, you're going to scroll down a little bit and you will see two download options. You'll see the download Alight Motion and download BlueStacks. Now, if you don't have BlueStacks on your device, you can download it straight from here. But if you do, you're going to go ahead and tap on the download Alight Motion, and this will download the actual file. And over here on the top right hand side, you can see it is now downloading. It'll be done in just a while. So we have our file downloaded. We're going to just tap on that, and now it says select an app to open this. Now, if you do not have BlueStacks, this is where you need to download it. So you can see over here, it is now suggested BlueStacks. We're going to tap on that, and I'm going to say always, and all these files will always be opened by BlueStacks. You can see now BlueStacks is starting up, and we're going to just full screen it here. So BlueStacks is now opened and loaded up. You can see that Alight Motion is right over here, and to run it, you're just going to double tap on it and it'll open up and it will now run through BlueStacks. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.